Alright guys, this is going to be new system test 9. Got the Faraday 5522-W remote strobe and the 5337-W multitone horn strobe. Originally had intended to buy the horn strobe, but seller sent me the strobe by accident, so she let me keep that and sent me the correct device. So, nice little bonus device there. Got the F1GT Chevron, which Grand Furniture and the Chop House in Kingsport have those pull stations, with the Faraday version of the Siemens U&H horn strobes right there. And yes, I finally got one of those ADT Simplex knockoff pull stations, as you can see it. Takes the same B key, so just stick it in. Got the Wheelock EHS-EL1-W. I can clarify that actually. Yes, there we go. I'll show you my newer devices really quick. G4 series Edwards ZST. And there's the typical Genesis without the fire lettering. P2RL system sensor. The older version of the Faraday 6120 horn strobe. Then you come over here. This is a 2-wire setup in the works. Basically, this stays on, flip it down, turns it off. Get the idea. We'll get that fixed soon here. Anyways, I guess I got the out hall alarm on continuous and the one in here on temporal, so we'll go ahead and get started. Open this up, and here we go. It's very loud. We'll quickly re-verify with the Chevron. And you notice the handle on that didn't go right back up like it does on, like it normally would on most of them. This has a temperamental spring in it, so just do that. And I did it really quick, as you could see, so I wouldn't set the alarm off, but that'll basically do it for new system test 9. Quick and easy. G4 series Cadet EST Edwards. Here the system sensor L series P2RL Advanced outside too.